Hey, what is up guys? John here at TechMoGo. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to take a look at a tablet that I think you're going to like. The Xiaomi Redmi Pad. So if you've been following the channel, most of the products that I showcase are of the budget, best bang for your buck variety. And the Xiaomi Redmi Pad is no exception in my humble opinion. It sports a flagship metal unibody construction. It's got a 10.61-inch 90Hz screen. It has the MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor, keeping everything running smooth. And that's just to name a few of its features. So in this video, we'll unbox the tablet, we'll check out the build quality, we'll check out the features and specs, and I'll let you know what I think of it. All right, so it comes in this white box. We've got a picture of the tablet front and center. We've got Redmi Pad and a Dolby Atmos logo. And we've got Redmi Pad up on the side here. Same with this side. Little Mi logo up top. On the bottom, we've got some specs. So inside the box, we've got a tablet. Take a look at that later. See what else we get inside. So we get some documentation. Take a look at that later. We get your SIM, but it's not a SIM. It's your SD card ejection tool. And then you've got 22-watt charging brick, I believe it is. And you've got your charging cable. Take a look at all that later. And the Redmi Pad does support fast charging up to 18 watts, I believe. So that is always nice. You get documentation, your charging brick, and your charging cable. Pretty basic, but that is all you really need. So let's take out the tablet. All right, so this one is in silver. There is multiple colors that you can choose from, but silver looks clean to me, so I chose silver. Then you've got your 8 megapixel camera in the back here. I believe the front is also 8 megapixels. Got some Redmi branding, and it's very slim. You've got your volume rocker here. You've got your power button up top with two speakers. More Dolby Atmos logo. You've got your USB-C port and 2 more speakers. And this is your SD card slot here. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, this thing is sleek, very nice. Let's turn it on. Powered by Android. You've got the Mi logo. But yeah, once again, this is a metal unibody construction. Feels very solid. So I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I've really enjoyed it. This version is just Wi-Fi, no SIM card slot or anything like that. It's got Bluetooth 5.3 with a 10.61-inch display and a refresh hertz of 90, and it's got 400 nits of brightness. Again, I've been using this for a couple weeks now, and I do wish it did get brighter. There's some cases where I felt like it wasn't bright enough for me, especially when you're out and about in sun. But overall, it's cool. All right, so from the factory, it's got Android 12 in the MIUI number 13. I've updated it to Android 13 and the MIUI 14. And overall, it runs very smooth. Again, this thing has 90 hertz refresh rate, which is nice and smooth. And I really like the Xiaomi's UI because it's more like the iOS, where everything is like you swipe up versus the 3 little dots that you have on some of the Android devices. So I really like that since I've been using iOS for the last, I don't know, so many years. So the tablet has a 800 milliamp battery, which I think is great. It lasts a very long time. With full brightness up, you can expect about 13 hours of video playback time. And with it, say at 60-70%, I'm thinking it's closer to 20, which I think is enough because I'm not watching 13 hours straight of video. And again, this has the MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor, so you'll be able to play some of the latest games. I've got Genshin Impact on this and it plays fine. Or I'm also playing games like NBA Live and Horizon Chase. I mean, they're not very graphics intensive, but they play great. And as far as the Antutu benchmark, this is the score that it got. Not too bad. It's nowhere near the highest, but it's not bad. Again, you can play some decent games. I'm playing NBA Live, Baseball 9, and again, Genshin Impact runs great on this. No lag. I keep it around medium settings, but it plays fine and it looks decent, so I really like that. So there's a few different options of this tablet. I've got the 6 gigs of RAM version with 128 gigs of storage, which can be expanded up to 1 terabyte using an SD card, which is really nice because I think that is plenty of space for me for games, apps, pictures, things like that. So again, overall, I've been enjoying the tablet. I think it's great, especially for the price. It's right around 200 bucks, so it's not going to break the bank. It's well built. It's fast enough to play some of the latest games. And for my usage of it, which is mostly media consumption, it works great. So if you are in the market for a budget tablet, definitely give this one a shot. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. I know it's pretty short. When I have it a little longer, I'll probably throw up a more detailed review. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at TechMoGo. I'll see you in the next one.